episode 4, another quick review. Let's get into it. So again, same stuff over and over. Higher time frame has not done anything too important. We're expecting the daily fair value gap. We had this push up, and yeah, that's it for the daily. 4 hour. So what we've had here, just to remove this. So again, we have our premium and discount, and we can see right now price has just been bouncing about. It's just been going from premium to discount. Okay, so you can look for buys in here, sells in here. Okay, now if we look on the 4 hour before London session, nothing really here. There's nothing here and nothing there. The only thing that's important to us is that this is buy side liquidity that we want to target, because if we're bullish, price should go like that. So we had this, now we want that. Go to a 1 hour time frame now. So what we have is this order block here, and the reason it's important is because it has liquidity right before it. So that will be our point of interest there. And then there is this order block here. It's quite large, so let's have a look inside. And we've got a 15-minute fair value gap there. Now price went up, so in kill zone, tapped into there, and then it started to drop. Now it didn't actually give any entries, or any entry I would take, and that's completely fine. So I'll wait for the main move. And what happens here, price taps into the order block, and then now we can have a look and see what's going on a lower time frame. So on the 1 minute, consolidates for a bit. We then get a push up, breaks structure here. So that's a sign that it's bullish, but it's just on the 1 minute, so I'll be patient, and I want to see maybe a 3 minute or 5 minute sign that we're bullish. So that is a pretty good sign. We get this break here. Now it didn't have my exact entry protocols, how I'd like to wait for a confirmation entry. But instead, what you could do is enter at the fair value gap. So you could put your entry here, stop loss at the bottom of the fair value gap, or we could enter off the 50% again. It just depends how we want to play it. If we want to make sure we're in the move, or if we want to get a bit better risk to reward. So, and now with this, because we know that this high should be getting taken out, because that is the whole move that's happening, and eventually we want this high to get taken out. So we can target these prices up here with that. So price taps into the 50% or even just a bit below. So if we would have, so it's either one or the other, can't actually be right on the middle. So say we put it here, or put it right at the entry because it was a small stop loss, and then now we're targeting higher prices. So again, what we have here, we have an order block there. So if you miss that first entry here, we can look for another entry here. So you can see there's a balanced price range and a 5 minute order block, and this high took out this and then broke up higher. So now price comes in, our entry is at that 5 minute order block, stop loss here, and again we are targeting this high up here. And if we fast forward, see price pushes up nicely. So that was the London session, 2 trades on offer. If you use the direct entry on the 5 minute, the 1 minute didn't give anything. And then now in the New York session, keep remembering that this is where price is drawing towards. you can see how it's just had a sloppy movement down and a fast movement up. So we're drawing towards there. So now that we know that, coming into New York session, we can see that it's just building up liquidity. And what are these? These are pretty much equal lows. So we're just going to wait. We don't know if price will come for this, come here. We just wait. What I see, price taps into this wick, a lower time frame. That's an order block. And then I get a fair value gap in here. So again, I'll look for the 50%, or depends how big this is. So this is a small stop loss. Safe target would be here, but because we know it's likely to go all the way up here, what I will do, just because this is the safe target, I want it to be at least 3R. So I'll put it down to 3R, 2.4 pips. And then you can tell at least it's not cherry picked, because I tell you guys, for most of them, I'll go for the 50%. I don't wait for it to close entirely. We've had another entry in here. Price ran this high here and then continued going up nicely, and we eventually take out that high. After this, once we took out this high, it was news coming at 10:30. So just about here, you're going to see it. So this is the overall range high right here. And what happens is price goes down. Oh, my bad. I think news was actually here. Yeah, so price kept running after news. Could look for another buy opportunity in here off the fair value gap, and had it going up until here. And that could have been it. So let's just say we'll close it here. You can look at what 1 minute entry you could have got in here. I'll leave that one for you guys. And then there's another trade. So New York was great. Didn't give any sells, but kept pushing up and up, and gave us this one as well. Till next time, peace.